Stock Breakout Picker, the ultimate quantitative breakout engine. Stop guessing which stocks will break out. No more endless Finviz scrolls, no more cherry-picked tips on YouTube. Every ticker is scored against for legendary playbooks, Minervini, Slim, Weinstein Stage 2, and a deep volume layer, fused into one institutional-grade rank. The result is a single ranked list, entry, stop, and target prices already calculated. NVIDIA, score 92. A tier setup, pocket pivot detected, trade plan ready. Bonus layers at macro regime, insider clusters, institutional flow, and fundamentals, the same data the pros use. Stock Breakout Picker works in Claude Cowork and any Skill.md agent, but also as a standalone program on Mac or Windows. You don't need Claude to run this stock picker. Get it now!